Hello everyone. Do you know that whenever I fly around the world, I get free access to the airport lounges? And in this video, I will be explaining for you how you can avail this service for free. Let's start the video. Who doesn't love escaping the hustle and bustle of the airport terminal and relaxing in a comfy armchair with complimentary snacks and drinks? But let me tell you that the access to those airport lounges is quite expensive. But the question is, how come I get access to those airport lounges for free? I will explain to you right now. I am going to reveal a clever travel hack which will allow you to access airport lounges around the world absolutely free. Buckle up and get ready to transform your travel experience. There are few ways of getting free access to the airport lounges. Number 1, credit cards with priority pass membership. Many premium credit cards offer complimentary priority pass access memberships, which grant access to a vast network of airport lounges worldwide. Check your credit card benefits to see if you qualify for a free airport lounge access. The second way of earning free access to the airport lounge is airline status. If you earn elite status with an airline, that can be achieved only through flying extensively, you can get free access to the airport lounge for that airline. The third way of getting free lounge access is airline apps. Some airlines offer special promotions or challenges through their mobile apps, rewarding frequent flyers with complimentary lounge visits. If your MasterCard allows you access to the airport lounge, all you got to do is install a mobile app called MasterCard Travel Pass. In that Travel Pass, you have to configure your credit card. When you arrive at the reception of the airport lounge, all you got to do now is to open your app, show your Dragon Pass in the app, and show your credit card as well. The receptionist will check your details and they will let you inside the airport lounge and you can enjoy all the facilities which are available in the lounge. I'm flying to Pakistan with Emirates from Terminal 3. I went to Marhaba Airport Lounge and enjoyed all facilities of the airport lounge which I needed, including the snacks, the drinks, coffee, and I took a good rest. I slept on that very comfortable sleeping sofas, and there was a massage chair. I took advantage of all the facilities of the lounge which I needed. Different airport lounges offer different services and different facilities. I had a good flight and I landed in Pakistan, but actually in Pakistan I had to wait for my luggage for more than 2 hours, which was really bad. Actually, I had a good flight. I enjoyed the airport lounge. I had a very nice flying experience with them, but unfortunately, their luggage service was not very good. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.